I'm joined by the lovely Lorraine from Jackson's Fencing. Lorraine, lovely to see you.
Thank you very much.
Tell me a little bit about Jackson's Fencing.
Okay, so Jackson's are still a family-owned business, and we're now in our 72nd year of trading. Based in Ashford in Kent as our manufacturing site. We also have sites in Bath and also in Chester.
I mean, obviously it's a long, long time ago, but did you ever see some of the products back from 77 years ago and how it is now in comparison?
Well, we started off with making timber fencing, so obviously some of those basic products are still, they've evolved, but they're still, sort of in our scheme. So we still see some of those, but we basically in the 80s then went into steel fencing. So obviously it's evolved hugely in that time.
And obviously now, I mean, obviously we're here and it's all about security. It's got to be a structure that people cannot get into unless, of course, they're allowed to. How tough is that in a world where, you know, crime is changing on a daily basis, technology is changing on a daily basis? How hard is it to stay ahead of the curve in terms of events?
Well, absolutely. So we have our design people. So we we work with critical national infrastructure, and we work with the accrediting houses who look at the designs and how best to approach some of the challenges around crime and protecting all our critical national infrastructure in the UK.
Also, you guys are certified by a very close company to us that we've heard quite a lot of, mainly the noise. Yes. And those guys have been showing us how easy it is to break into certain fences to save some different equipment. But you guys get all your products certified.
Yes, indeed. And this year we're very excited because we have received, as part of the events of yesterday, we received our new 14 certificates for our LPCB issue 8 products, and those products cover both mesh products in single mesh and double mesh products. Which
is incredible. I mean, like I say, we've watched those guys from LPCB break into fences and stuff. Is it heartbreaking when you go, but it's a beautiful product and they got into it in 10 seconds, so we've got to go back to a drawing board, for example, and combat that?
Well, the SR ratings or anything, we produce products that are from SR1 rated right through to SR5, and each of those ratings has its own challenge. So we do, with the LPCB testing, fend very, very well, and generally our products do withstand and stay within those SR ratings.
And before I let you go, tell me why IFSEC. Why is this the show to come to and showcase what you guys do?
I think it's the number of people that actually come and visit. So we get people that come from lots of different sectors. We also get other suppliers who, come to see us and exchange ideas. As I say, we get a huge customer base that use this as a springboard to look at new products. And very often, this is all embryonic in terms of where they're looking, but as I say, it's the springboard to bigger things. And we have existing clients coming, but we also make a lot of new relationships.
Lorraine, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.